I'm gonna see if I can trim these hedges with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I've got my hedges out here. I've got some evergreen bushes and things like that, and they're looking a little shaggy, which just means they're following my lead. I should get a haircut too, by the way. So I picked up this because I love hedge trimmers, especially electric, battery-powered, cordless ones, because you can take them anywhere. But this one was pretty inexpensive, and so I wanted to see if there was an affordable option out there for a lot of us that might do the job. So let's get this thing unboxed and try it out. All right, so first things first, I'm going to put on the handle here, and it looks like this black portion here, which is another safety trigger, is going to face you. So you're just going to want to put this in. So you might have to spread this out just a little bit here to get it on, and then you're going to push that down. You're going to kind of manhandle that in, and you'll see when these little tabs go flush there, and that looks like that is on. And then we're going to take this handguard here, and the curved edge is going to face back towards you, I believe, and that's going to go right down here. So should just snap on just like that. All right. And then to finish the assembly, the 4 little screws will go right in here to hold the handle on both sides. So make sure those are in. And now let's get the battery charged up. You can see the little charging port right in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing fully charged, then we'll try trimming some bushes. All right, time to try this thing out. And what I will say is you have to have this switch pushed in, this trigger up, and this trigger pushed in too to use the thing. So if I just pull on these 2 back here, it won't do anything until I put this one on, then it will cut, and it seems to do that pretty nicely. The other thing is, normally when you're holding this, you might just have this one closed, which means then you only need to pull these triggers, and so it's kind of actually nice and natural to use. So let's go ahead and start trimming and see if we can make this fuzzy bush a little bit more defined. Oh yeah. Oh man. Easy work. Easy, easy. Oh, easy peasy. Doesn't get easier than that. Just grabs those protruding branches and just drops them off there. So pretty simple. The other thing I like about this is that it's actually really light. So you don't have to, you know, manhandle this thing. It's not real heavy. You don't have this huge battery on there. I mean, like I said, it's compact, so you could take it anywhere. But if you are hauling this thing around your yard, your farm, your estate, your compound, it's actually going to be nice to carry because I can just carry this thing with one hand, right? You can even carry it just like this. So pretty sweet. But obviously, it works and does the business too. To get some of these branches off my house. Off the glass. I should do this stuff a little more often, to be honest. Hey, if you are looking for a cordless hedge trimmer and you don't want to break the bank, this guy will do it for under $100. So everything you need comes in the package. If you want to pick up this one, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.